Indianapolis family, though, is filing a federal lawsuit against the Indiana Department of Child Services. Good evening. I'm Debbie Knox.
And I'm Bob Donaldson. The family accuses DCS of seizing their children based on false accusations. CBS 4's Russ McQuaid has more on this family's story.
This federal lawsuit claims the Department of Child Services ran roughshod over the rights of Adam and Laura Huff and their children. Laura Huff is fearsome in protection of her family.
They turned on my daughter and they came after my daughter, and nobody comes after my children. Nobody, not even the government.
In October of 2018, the Department of Child Services opened an investigation into a complaint that a year earlier, Adam Huff had abused his teenage daughter.
The case arises from a situation where DCS made false allegations against our clients. They made false allegations in filings in court in order to remove the Huff's children from the family home. They conducted an illegal interrogation. They would not let the brother and sister stay together or take their personal belongings with them while they were removed from the home.
4 months later, on the verge of a court hearing into the evidence, DCS abruptly dropped its case and let Adam go home to live with his family again. Even after the Huffs' claim, the state agency lied to a judge about the existence of criminal charges that were never filed.
DCS lied to justify removing the children from their home.
The Huffs further claimed DCS used Laura's disability as a rationale to seize her children.
When they went to court, they told the judge, well, she can't have her kids because she has mobility issues, and there's no accountability. So we have people that are weaponizing DCS because they have a grudge against us, and there's no way to stop it from being weaponized.
The lawsuit claims DCS not only violated state law, but its own policies in taking the Huffs' children away.
I'm very angry that the system that is supposed to protect your children actually abused my children.
The Huffs say their children are home now, but traumatized by this incident, and they're continuing with this lawsuit to bring accountability to the system. In downtown Indianapolis, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.
We reached out to DCS to comment. The agency has not responded. The family is seeking $3 million in damages.